Day 2.
It's day 3.
Day 3. Last night was party night. Whoops. Right now we're rough. We're going to breakfast right now to kind of get the day started. Oh my god. And now we're going, we're at the zipline place, getting ready to go for that. Yeah.
Terrified. Would throw up on something.
We made it. Barely. Jordan had to have someone do all the cables for her the whole way through down the bridge. Other than that, she did great. She did upside down on the zip line too.
The zip line, I finally got comfortable with that shit.
At the end.
And then they're like, oh, let's make you walk very slowly across this thing.
So we're making our way back down. We got a bus to Hidroelectria next, which is the next stop on our way to Machu Picchu.
I need another shot.
And lunch, yeah. No, you don't.
Hold me. Baby giraffe can't walk. Whew. Baby giraffe can't walk. Baby giraffe can't do it.
So your standard lunch in Peru as a tourist is generally bread, a soup, and then we're waiting on the next part. So right off the bat, when you start to walk though, you can see Machu Picchu mountain. Next to it, over there will be Machu Picchu city, and we're basically gonna walk around Machu Picchu to the other side, to Aguas Calientes. We're gonna stay for the night. And if you're not doing like a tour or anything, you can just do this walk on your own. You just take a bus to Hidroelectria and it's like 12 bucks or something like that. Then walk in yourself. You don't have to have a guide or anything. It's the cheapest way to do it. So the thing we just passed right here was an old sundial, as well as the flat areas for like offerings and sacrifice, because the biggest thing to the Incas were the stars and the sun.
Cados, he loves me. Do you love me?
assuming we're about halfway. Ish. Yeah, we've been going for probably over an hour though. This bag has everything we need for like 5 days. We probably overpacked a little bit, because you never know with the weather and all that. But it's so heavy. Just straight walking with it. My shoulders are killing me, so I cannot wait to get there. The Peruvians had this tourism thing figured out really well. Just dropped some ice cream parlors along the tracks for everyone hiking. Smart. Okay, we're finally off the trail and all that in the tracks, and we're just getting into Aguas Calientes and making our way to the hostel. I think it took about 2.5, 3 hours.
Yeah. Beautiful little town.
Yeah. Next, we just gotta get to the hostel. Oh, we just got here.
Yeah.
Nap time. We're at the Salcante Inn. That's where our little tour spot is. It's actually kind of nice.
There's TV.
That is pretty impressive. Anyways, see you later.